In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Klarna and Afterpay to your Stripe payments. If you want to offer buy now, pay later options on your website, this quick guide will help you set it up. First, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Stripe supports both Klarna and Afterpay, also known as ClearPay in some regions, as payment methods, but you need to enable them. Go to Settings in Stripe, then click Payment Methods. Here, you'll see a list of available payment options. Find Klarna and Afterpay, ClearPay in the list and toggle them on to enable. If you don't see them, you might need to check if your Stripe account supports these methods in your country. Once enabled, Klarna and Afterpay will appear as payment options at checkout when you use Stripe's payment gateway on your website or app. Make sure your e-commerce platform or custom checkout supports these options through Stripe's API. If you're using platforms like WooCommerce or Shopify, look for Stripe payment plugins that support Klarna and Afterpay, then enable those options in the plugin settings. That's how you add Klarna and Afterpay to Stripe. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more easy payment tutorials. Thanks for watching.